If you're in the market for a versatile and stylish gardening tool set, the LeHatori 10-piece gardening tool set might just be what you need. This set includes everything a gardener could wish for: a rake, shovel, scissors, pruning shears, a weeding knife, and a watering bottle. With these tools, you can easily tackle indoor or outdoor planting tasks, whether it's pruning, digging, weeding, aerating, or planting. One standout feature of this set is the friendly tool case. Made from environmentally friendly plastic, it's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and store. The molded shell design keeps all your tools organized with dedicated slots, so you'll never have to search for a misplaced trowel again. The ergonomic non-slip design of these tools adds a touch of comfort to your gardening experience. The floral print not only looks attractive, but also makes these tools unique. The soft handles have excellent anti-slip performance, which can help reduce arm and wrist fatigue during extended gardening sessions. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or spices, this set is designed to meet all your gardening needs. It's also a fantastic gift choice, especially for those who love gardening. The fashionable and cute appearance makes it an ideal present for birthdays, anniversaries, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Hanukkah. In summary, the LeHatori 10-piece gardening tool set combines functionality with style, making gardening easier and more enjoyable. It's perfect for both seasoned gardeners and beginners, and the thoughtful design ensures that it's a practical and delightful addition to any garden.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.